Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you about similes. What are similes? A simile is a figure of speech comparing two things with the words like or as. It is used to make the description more vivid. Here are 10 examples of similes. You were as brave as a lion. They fought like cats and dogs. She was cool as a cucumber. Your explanation is as clear as mud. He is tall like a giraffe. The ice cream was as cold as ice. She was as busy as a bee. Last night, I slept like a log. I am so thirsty, my throat is as dry as a bone. That game is as common as dirt. What simile have you used? Comment below and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!